I'm ready, and today we're playing Easy Master Tower, episode 4. Wait, where I can't move. Episode 4. So, let's get started. If you haven't seen the other 3 videos, I suggest watching those, so you know how I got here and how much pain I went through to get here. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, no. Oh my gosh. I was doing good. Here I failed. Oof. No. No, don't leave. Oof. Oh no. Why can't I get past this? Only floor 5. There's 12 floors. It's quite a bit. 1 second. Yeah. I am so bad at this game today. In the last video, I said I wasn't sure if I'd post another video today. I just decided I will because it's fun recording. Hope you guys like watching my videos too. And tomorrow, about that. So I won't be posting tomorrow. I'm going to a birthday party, and the next day I will. Well, I don't know because I'm gonna be sleeping over tomorrow. Okay. To the birthday party, my friend. Oh yikes! I've been posting quite a bit, so I think that you guys should be good for today. Oh no. No! Okay, I'm good. Oh no. That was a close one. I don't know how I survived. No, why? I can't get out. No. No! You gotta be kidding me. This game, man. It's so annoying. Oof. People are getting reported by, Karen. Okay. Oh, wow. I just went flying. Okay. I'm okay with that. Now I'm all the way here now. Okay. I'm back to here now. I think. Go, go, go. Okay, stop. Gotta go. No. Gotta get out. Okay, I'm good now. Back to here. Gotta walk carefully. Okay. Jump. No. Okay. I survived. Okay. I thought I was gonna fall. Okay. I'm all good. Okay, so now we're gonna go up. Now. Wow, this thing is so big. I won't be taking the shortcut. I did last time. I don't really feel like it. Oh, that was so close. That was also kind of cool. I didn't get hit a single time. At least I don't think so. Wait, now that I'm here, what? Oh, I'm supposed to drop down. Okay. Oh no. Ah, yikes. I'm low. I'm gonna die. Okay. But I'm good. I'm not gonna die yet. Because I'm a pro. For now. Probably make some mistakes sooner or later. Okay. I mean, you win some, you lose some, right guys? Yeah. When I was gone, so today I went to skating. It was fun. I like skating, but my foot hurts. My foot hurt quite a bit. But it was still fun. I skated for I think 37 minutes. It's pretty long. Oh my gosh, it was a close one. Huh? It was fun. Yep. Oh, yikes. Okay, I made it. And now, okay, how am I supposed to get there? Now. Okay. Okay, I made it. Yes. Come on, I'm so close. Smell the victory. Wow, I did it pretty well. Wait, I feel like I already did this already. I don't know, maybe I did the parkour simulator to this. Well, we just gotta continue. Okay, jump. Ow. No, okay. Oh, people are completing floors. What am I saying? Quick. I was gonna say fast, but I said, oh, I said both of them. I was supposed to leave the game accidentally. That's not good. Don't want to leave the game yet. Okay. Oh, okay. Gotta go now. Oh, that was close. Okay. Come on. I made it. Okay. Still alive. Still going strong, kind of. Okay, so this. Oh, that was probably a bad idea. I still made it. Jump. Ah! Go, go. Ah! I don't think you're kidding me. No. On floor 6. Making quite a bit of progress. Come on. How? How am I gonna do this? Come on. There we go. Got it. No! Ah! Dumb game. I wasn't turning my screen. No, I'm stuck. There we go. Okay. Jump there. Oh, yikes. Jump there. Jump there. Okay. Back to here. Okay. Go right to the edge. I think I can't go any closer. Okay. Read it. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I said I wasn't gonna record today. Oh, only I recorded once, but yeah, YouTubing is so fun. Okay, good thing that was a ladder. I don't have good memory, guys. Maybe I did say that already. I think I might have. Oops. And I don't know if I said this, but please like and subscribe. Oh no, my jumper didn't work. No. Okay. Yeah, please like and subscribe. It would help me and my channel out. We're only at I think 11 subs. Our goal is to get to 13. Come on, guys, you can do better. I think over 90%. Well, the statistics things on YouTube Studios says 87 or something, but I feel like it's more than that. 87 or 84, not sure. And holy cow, that was scary. I don't know how I survived. Wait, what? How? Oh, there we go. I wasn't going up the ladder for some reason. Well, on to the next one. So, okay, gotta jump to there. Ooh. Okay. And there. Oh. Nice, still alive. Oh no. No. Okay. Whew. Okay. There we go. Oh gosh. It's a roundabout jump. Okay. Let's go there. And oh, okay. That was a close one. I thought I might have died. What? Oh no, this is moving. Oh. Okay, I almost just fell. Holy cow, I'm lucky. So it looks like it's getting crazier the more I play. Oh, yikes. Come on. Okay. And okay. And I've finished this one. Okay. So this moves. And those move. Oh yeah. So I just jump on top. Actually really simple. Oh no. Okay. No, okay, no, I'm gonna die. No, not. Okay. Okay, interesting. Oh, it's hard. 10 minutes in, okay. Wow, I'm doing this pretty quick. No. Go, go, go. Stop. And jump. Yes! Haha. I am a pro. On to floor 7. Whew, my hand is sweaty. My feet are too. Okay. When does this be have in store for me today? Yeah, I think that's the way it's saying. I don't know. Oh, these are moving. I don't really like that. And jump. Okay. And now. Okay, I guess I jump in. Okay. Okay, yes, I can climb. I was like, wait, why you can't climb? Did I just mess up? Oh, no, it's all fine. All good. Okay. Jump up here. Okay. Oh, I don't like how skinny this is. Okay. Where do I go now? I just jump here, I guess. Okay. Okay. I thought I fell all the way to the bottom. I'm good. Okay, I can. No, I gotta go here. Oof. It says I just finished and there's just different colored trees. That's actually kind of boring. It said, yeah. Oh, number 10. Wow. Okay. Can I beat this? So I wonder if I can beat this. Wait, have I died yet? I don't think so. So I can basically one-shot it. Yikes. I'm so done, man. This game's so annoying. 13 minutes. No, okay, that was a... Does this damage me? No, it doesn't damage me. I can just stay here. Actually, no. No, no! How am I so bad at this game? I'm bad. Okay. Come on. Okay. No, jump on it. That was close. One. Jump. Oh my gosh. Okay, I guess I'm gonna end it there. So, guess that's it for this video. So, see you in the next one. Oh no, gotta, oh, it's over here. See you in the next one. Goodbye.